started on braiding my hair, so I'll finish it back. Hello lovies, hello G, hello my people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly stay by subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you for always coming in. I mean, you are the realest G. You guys should not mind my face. Don't mind how I'm looking. I am extremely tired because during the Christmas holidays I was working and like my breath. So don't mind this face. And this is a morning face, kind of face. Like, I'm still cute. Like, I'm a nice girl. Yes. So I recently moved to this new place and I haven't really done a lot of touch-ups and things here. So I'll be going to get my wardrobe because I'll be going home this weekend to my mom's place. So we would go and get a wardrobe for my room. You know, my other place, I didn't have a wardrobe, so my things were scattered like on the floor. And I didn't used to do videos in the room because it was cluttered and always tricky, and I didn't have natural light. That was one problem. But here I do have natural light, like you can see. Like I'm looking like yeah. So meaning that this place will be doing a lot of videos. So I want to spec the room, then we'll start doing videos. Like you guys like I'm taking my time because when you move to a new place, you have to take your time and all of the things. My bed frame is not in yet because initially I mentioned that when I moved in it to be here a day or two, but that is not the case. It has been a long like up and down, and I don't want to share the story here because it's kind of some wavy, but just to let you guys know, my bed frame is still not in, so your girl is still sleeping on the floor. But hopefully we will get it by the end of February, hopefully, or mid-February, hopefully. Yes. So like I said, I'll be going home this weekend, and then it's going to be like we getting into the new year. Oh my god, 2025. Wow. I mean, we've come a long way, and I just want to thank God because 2024 was, hey, did I say 2025? I'm in a hurry already. Okay, so 2024, yes, we'll be getting into a new year, which is 2024. I mean, 2023 was another kind of year. It was one crazy year, and at the end of 2023 I've been able to move into this new place. So 2024 is going to be one testimony year, and I want you guys to say amen. Amen. Okay, so like I said, I'll be going home for the new year. That is first. And I haven't done anything to my hair. So during the Christmas holidays, I just had my hair on, and I was hoping that I could work on a few of my wigs so that I can rock it during the Christmas holidays, but I couldn't. And looking at the new year, I still want to wear a wig, but I don't know how that is going to end up because I need to work on the wig, straighten, wash, and all of those things, and I'm going home. So it's either I'll braid my hair or I'll get a wig. But in all, you guys will be updated. And also, we will be going out on the 1st with the family. We'll be going to the beach just for some chill time, cool time, and all of those things. And I'll take you guys along, definitely, of course, yeah. So that we'll go and have fun and enter the new year together. Do you understand? Yes. I mentioned I'll be getting my wardrobe, so I'll get the wardrobe and bring it home. Then I'll go back for the new year. Do you get? Yes. So when like putting the wardrobe in, I'll show you guys. Oh my god. See, if I show you guys how this place is looking with my bag on the floor and things, you guys will be like, girl, like, hurry up. But I'm working on it. Yeah. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'll be taking you guys along because I'll be going home. So I'm going to get ready and go home. Then we'll get the wardrobe and bring it back. Then we'll go back home. Good. So I'll see you guys very soon. And ciao ciao. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Okay. See you soon. So I'm just going to hold my hair in a pony. When I get home, I'll see what I'll do about it. I'll take my wig along at once so that if I'm wearing wig for the New Year's, I'll wear it. If I am braiding, I just braid. I can't find my hair bands. I can't find a lot of things because my room is all bazaar. I think it's okay because I'm going home. See, this thing is trying to fall off. And I don't really have a mirror in my room. Unless my small mirror. You guys remember that, right? Okay. So I think I'm done. Let me wear my sandals or something. So guys, I think I'm done and I'm going home. I'll see you when I see you. Mwah. Good. So I decided to braid my hair. I did that together with my sister on Saturday, and today is Monday. So it's braids for now. Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I'm the boy by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know. Any proper thing to share with you people, but I wanted to show you people my bed frame. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be sick of me, oh my god, my bed frame is in. I'm so happy because I have been waiting for this bed frame for quite a while. Remember I told you people that after I moved in, they said the bed frame would be brought in the next day. It wasn't brought in the next day. I mean, it's a long story. I'll share that story another time. But today, let's enjoy some bed frame. So It's 9:36 a.m. and I'm rushing out to go somewhere. I'm supposed to be at the place at 11. And I wanted to talk to you guys before, so I don't know what to call this, like get ready with me video, because I didn't get ready with you. I'm just okay. So when I get back, I would like to braid this hair because it's been like almost 2 months. I mean, I'm not so proud to say this, but I think the hair has really done its work, because I wanted the pressure off me for the first, month of January, and it did a good job at that. So when I get back, I will braid this. And one fun thing about everything is that this year I'm embarking on a task to like actually stay off braids for the rest of the year and do wigs, most of wigs or my natural hair. So during that period, I'll be acquiring some wigs, of course, definitely, and I'll be unboxing and styling them here with you guys. And I want to see if I'll be able to do this task, and you guys should let me know what you think about it. And yeah, I need to go right now, that's why I'm blabbing a lot. So when I get back, I think we'll have a more civil conversation. Yes, so see you soon. Okay. Mwah.
Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life in these times?
So I just got home and I don't know what the time is. Let me check what the time is. It's 4:23. I am exhausted, I am tired. And hey, have you guys realized that recently the sun is on another level? But all the same, I'm going to take a shower, then I'll come and eat. When I was leaving, I ate some leftover spaghetti that I had, but I'm hungry again. So I'm going to eat, take a shower, then I'll rest because your girl is tired. I know, remember I told you guys that when I come back, I'll braid my hair. I have, I have actually started. I showed you guys it, right? I have started on braiding my hair, so I'll finish it up. And I definitely can't do washing today because I am tired. So we'll do that some other time, okay? And maybe I'll show you that. If I don't, then we'll move on. But anyways, I have started on braiding my hair, and I definitely have to finish before tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday, and I can't afford to not finish before tomorrow because there's church, there is work on Monday, and all of those things. So yeah.
Times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through.
Since I haven't got what's the name, a tray or anything, I usually use my chopping board for that.
Understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negative deep and I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't get